Hi everyone. Wait, I didn't do the wave, but whatever. So today I got my grandma a new phone because it's my holiday today. It's a Friday, and my grandma said, "Hey, the phone battery of my phone is like shit." And okay, then let's get a new one. So today me and my grandpa just went down to the street. Actually no, but yeah, whatever. And yeah, and I got a new phone for her. It's a Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and let's compare it with the box with the A52 5G because it's my grandpa's phone and they look like almost the same. Yeah, I think so. And yeah, look at the thickness of the box. Look at these. Look at this. It's so like they don't come with the charger anymore, even on those mid-end phones, not even flagship. Like look at this. The box of this phone is as thin as my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So yeah, they don't come with charger anymore, bruh. Samsung. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at the box. A53 5G, and yes, I opened it in the store just to check it, but I reset it for for this video. Yeah, and yeah, this is seal, and these are the information of the phone. Let me check if there are any. Yeah, let me just blur this. Yeah, it's a Samsung. It's a 256 gig model, and with 8 gigs of RAM and the awesome blue. It okay, awesome. Yeah, because my grandma always took others phone, although it's not even the same. So yeah, she thought every black phone is hers, and so we got her a different color phone so she won't get others phone again. And yeah, and she also got this case on her old phone. This a Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, I believe. Yeah, from 2018. And yeah, it's her so I got her another case, a pink one, and yeah, I'll just install that for her later. Whoa. Oh yeah, I accidentally what is tactical camo. Yeah, I accidentally pressed that, but yeah, let's open this up. Okay, let's open this. Nice. Is there anything in it? Nothing in it. So yeah, Samsung is the A53 5G Infinity O display. I don't know what this means, but I think it's a OLED display, and quad camera with I forgot what's this, OIS, what stabilization something. Oh, I forgot what O and I stand for, optical something stabilization. I'm not sure. You just put it here. So yeah, it has IP67 water and dust resistance. So in case you don't know, the water and dust resistant, it's on 67 right here. 6 means the water resistant level, and 7 means the rust resistant level. So next time when you see IP something 7, IPX7, IP87, something like that, you know what this means. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. So I think this is the IMEI. Yeah, and the detail you see on the box. And yeah, let's just put this here first, and let's take a box. So yeah, the things is here, like the what's that? Oh no, my brain cells died. Yeah, you know, the guide or something like that is there, but this one, like the A52, the guide are in here in a different place. So yeah, they changed the place too. So yeah, let's my glasses. And yeah, let's take a look what's inside. We got this SIM card pin right here. What's inside? Let's see. So we got this Samsung Pay thing. We got the little guide how to install a nano SIM card. Yeah, just basically it. And here's the English version of this quick start guide. So yeah, let's put this back. Is there anything else in here? No, and it only comes with one USB-C cable, and it's a yeah, C to C cable, you can see. But let's just give this here. Let me let's take a look at the phone. Let me put this back. God damn it, I'll just do it later. So yeah, let's take a look at the phone. Wait, where keyboard? Okay, so yeah, let's open this up. Nice. So yeah, it's there's the color of the awesome blue thing. It's actually like whitish blue. Yeah, it's pretty a light color. Yeah, let's also remove the plastic right here. Let me use my fingernails to remove this. Come on. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. I hope I won't scratch your phone. And this is always so satisfying. Yeah, nice. So let's just throw them away. And let's take a look at the phone. Don't boot up, bruh. Let me like reboot this thing. So yeah, let's take a look at the phone. You got free cameras right here, and here's the start button, and here's the volume button, and USB-C cable, and here's the what's this SIM card slot, and what's this? Oh my gosh, my brain cells died. A speaker, yeah, speaker. So yeah, I think is there any speakers here? I didn't see it, but I think there's one. And yeah, I also Samsung also helped me install the screen protector, so yeah, you can see it. So yeah, let's boot her up. Come on. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Nux, powered by Android. Nice, and actually feels pretty nice too. And come on, boot up. And yeah, by the way, it also gave me a coupon for me. So I used it. I used one, and here's the second one. So yeah, I used the coupon to buy another phone, but that's another video. I've learned this. So yeah, here's the phone. Let's just change it to Chinese for my grandma because she don't really know English. So yeah, let's start. So yeah, accept all those policies. Agree. Just take all my informations. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, it's connecting. It's checking the update. So yeah, I would like put all the information here to her new phone. So yeah, here's the J4 Plus. I will do another video on it. Nice, I got one phone and I got 2 more videos. Nice. And yeah, actually J4, the J series is a pretty low end series on like Samsung. So yeah, it's been 4 years, so we decided to buy her a new one. It's still preparing my phone. Bruh, come on. Oh, nice. So it asks me to move all things, but I'll do it later because it's on the video. Yeah, I'm recording these things now, so yeah, I'll do this later. installing smart switch. Okay. Oh, okay, I might just do it later. How do I not do it? Oh, like this one. Wrong one, bro. I'm dumb. I forgot her email. I'll just do it later. Accept. Don't. Why you need these? Don't. No, I don't want these. Just suck on these nuts. Oh, no. Bruh. Okay. Let's just wait. Let's just fast forward this. Oh wait, it's asking me to wait. And this time, let's just drink some Coca-Cola. It's warmer. I don't want Yahoo apps. Yahoo is dead. Okay, I just skipped this too. Skip. I'm ready. So yeah, let's take a look at the phone. So I think it's a Android. It's on Android 12. I'm not logged in yet. I don't care. So yeah, it's Android 12, and let's take a look at settings. Where's the settings? I don't want message. Where's the settings? Oh, here it is. My brain cells die, literally. So yeah, let's take a look at about phone. Oh my gosh, I have to blur this thing. So yeah, it's a Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Yeah, it's just basically those things. Battery health, it's not charging. It got 5,000 mAh battery. And software, yeah, it's One UI 4.1 and Android 12. It's my phone on Android 12, and I think my phone's on Android 12. It got this like little Easter egg right here. So yeah, that's just basically other things. And yeah, let's take a look at the camera of this thing. And it got also a ultra wide camera and normal camera. So yeah, let's take a photo of my Xbox Series S right here real quick. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Of course, it's a 2022 new phone. It's not actually new. I forgot when they release, but yeah. And yeah, that's basically it. The phone now. It's boring. Nothing. My heart literally skipped a beat. Raw. Okay. So yeah, I have to like do those things. And yeah, phones now are boring. I have nothing much to like to introduce or something like that. But yeah, I can't really do a review for this because it's my grandma's phone. I can't like go out and use it for like a day or something. And yeah, that's why I like old phones more. Got many things to like introduce to make this video longer. But yeah, that's much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.